Hi guys, welcome back on a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. Oh my goodness, it's resurrection time. And of course, one of the hallmarks of our Christian faith is that Christ rose from the grave. And I was thinking about that the other day. Oh, listen to the birds chirping, right? How gorgeous. I was thinking about that the other day, and I realized something as I walked down the little brick walk just over here. There are tulips coming up out of the ground, and you know what? I actually forgot that I had planted those, I think last fall or a couple of years ago, and they are so beautiful, and it got me thinking about, the old saying, bloom where you're planted, right? A lot of times we find ourselves in difficult seasons in our life where it's hard to bloom, it's hard to be bright and sunny and joyful. Well, you know what? Take heart and have hope, because seasons pass, difficult times will fade away, and even the thorns that come around sometimes and choke what is destined to be beautiful, those can be cut back, those can be pruned, or sometimes even ripped out if need be. So bloom where you're planted and know that that season of darkness will pass. And you, like a beautiful tulip, will open up and bring beauty to everyone around you. I hope this has encouraged you guys, and we'll see you next time on Words of Encouragement.